Hi, my name is Franz Heidinger, and I'm a lawyer linguist pioneer. Some of you have asked why we're using this mascot, the bird of paradise. Well, my explanation for this is as follows. When we look at languages, I always draw the comparison to birds. And I would think that an ordinary language can be compared to a pigeon. Nice, interesting, but grayish. When you look at specialized languages, we add some color, and we could think of a special language, a language for specific purposes. We could compare it to a robin. But when we come to legal languages, we're headed for a different dimension, and that's why I suggest that we consider legal languages a bird of paradise. Why is that so? Because it's a very special type of language that has been developed over centuries. And it's because of these developments that certain concepts, certain terms have received meaning, lots and lots of meaning. Over the decades, over the centuries, meaning has been packed into words, and this is how we understand legal terms and legal terminology, and this is what makes legal languages so special. Obviously, when you want to learn something about legal languages, whether it's your own domestic legal language or a foreign legal language, you need to take a closer look at the underlying legal concepts so that you can develop an understanding of what the language that is used to describe those concepts is all about. If you want to learn more about legal languages, click the link or scan the QR code.